In your opinion, who you think should win the election?
Dr. Norman done, man.
Why,
JLP,
why you say that?
You see what things are going for the country, man. Look for our prosperity. Remember me a boy and Dr. Green around the place. And you see how them places where you see them the drain and so on, the road them all the fountain down so. That kind of a sandbed that man. I'm told me see doctor don't come and fix up the place and go on and you see me a scheme where me a boy a riverbed that and doctor don't come fix that. You see me? So I must JLP maybe say because JLP be the country. You understand? And more people get more work. You understand? And people now suffer again like one time. People now suffering about not like one time. The employment rate what we see Andrew find something for give people. You must have a vote for JLP. You see me? Doctor don't come and open for place. You see me? And doctor is a man with born and bred here. You understand? So we have to vote for Jamaica Labour Party. One Doctor Don, one Andrew Wellness, one Brogard.
All right, thank you for your time.
Yeah.